Next we are going to see sampling technique or sampling method. Okay, so normally there are two methods. One is random or probability sampling. Okay, so one is random or probability sampling. Okay, and the other is non-probability sampling. Okay, so in probability sampling means all the units. Okay, all the units in the population have given equal or unequal probability. Given equal or unequal probability. Okay, so in probability sampling all the units in the population have given either equal or unequal probability. Okay, that is sample. Okay, that is sample is selected by law of chance. Law of chance or probability. Okay, so in random sampling or probability sampling we are choosing a sample based on the law of chance or probability. Okay, so in this the example is simple random sampling. Simple random sampling. Okay, simple random sampling is called as SRS. Okay, simple random sampling. So in simple random sampling in which each in which all units in the population have equal chance of being included. Okay, included in the sample. See here, I told that in probability sampling the probability can be equal or unequal. Okay, so in simple random sampling is a probability sampling. Okay, so here I will give equal chance, that is equal probability for all the units. Okay, that is for each xi p of xi. Okay, the probability of xi is same. Okay, in SRS simple random sampling. Okay, so in simple random sampling there are two types. One is SRS WR. Okay, that is simple random sampling with replacement. Okay, with the replacement. Okay, and second is simple random sampling SRS WR. Okay, simple random sampling without replacement. Okay, so in simple random sampling, that is SRS, there are two methods. Okay, one is SRS WR, that is simple random sampling with replacement, and other is SRS WR, that is simple random sampling without replacement. Okay,